It's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Unmatched comfort and the confidence to challenge anyone or anything. The removable top and seat configuration offer endless possibilities for fun and cargo hauling. Initiate the fun with the 3.6-liter V6 engine and four-wheel drive. This Jeep promotes your wild side with a tough and washable interior with drain plugs, an underbody that is protected by skid plates, and safety features to protect you, including electronic stability control and advanced multi-stage front airbags. While rugged capability is certainly what this Wrangler is best known for, you'll fawn over the refinement of the comfortable interior too. Your status symbol, but much more than a trophy. Test drive this capable Wrangler today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.